I'm Jessica Price here at the 2013 World Championship Cat Show. Competition is high and the claws are out.
Welcome to the CFA Dr. Elsie's Precious Cat Litter World Championship Cat Show.
I'm here with Shirley Pete. So how long have you been coming to cat shows?
We've been showing cats for about 20 years.
I've been showing cats for about 10, 11 years.
Almost 25 years.
Been a cat show cat since she was 5 months old. She's now 13 and a half. Have us take her to be filmed in TV commercials. She once went to one for Target for Fancy Feast. Then most recent she went to New Jersey to film a Toyota commercial with Eli Manning. And she was 14 feet up in the tree, and you know, the video is really cute.
All right, thank you. How's the competition going today? All right, anything else you would like to add to that? Thanks, Stinky.
And what are some of the awards you've won? I see you have a bunch on your exhibit.
Well, today I've been doing very well. There was 9 rings I could be eligible for. I was able to final in 6 of them.
What goes into the judging process?
It's really a beauty contest. The cats, of course, have to be amenable to handling, but you are judging them according to a standard of perfection, what the perfect one, let's say, of any given breed would be.